big shout out from Tennessee. This is Southern Tennessee Mom. I want to give a big shout out and thank you to all my subscribers. I have recently met the goal for over 1,000 subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And it just helps my channel grow and you become part of the family. All right, let's get into this video. Karen Prinkley sent this video recipe to me by messenger, and so I'm gonna attempt to make it. Right now we are melting a stick. You can use a stick of butter or a stick of margarine, whichever that you prefer. So I'm melting that one stick into the pan. I've got the heat on the stove on about medium heat while this is melting. Now I'm adding 1 cup of milk. You can use skim milk, 1%, whole milk, 2%, whatever you choose. I'm adding 1 cup of sugar to the mixture. I'm going to mix it up really well so it doesn't clump up on me. I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar, and again I'm going to mix it up really well. I've got a measuring cup here with just some cold tap water in it, and while this mixture needs to come to a boil, and you'll continue cooking it until when you drop a little bit into the cold water in the measuring cup until it forms a soft ball. While this is still coming to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and get 1 cup of peanut butter in my measuring cups so I have that ready. Remember that you need to stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick or burn. Now, it's come to a boil for a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and drop some in the water. It just splattered. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it is splattered in the water. It did not form a ball, so it needs to cook a little longer. We'll let it cook a little longer. So now I'm going to take and drop a little bit more into the water. It's almost ready, if you can see that. It's not splattering, but it's not quite ready yet. So I'm going to let it cook a little longer. And I'm going to take and pour that water out and put some more in it. So it's fresh water. Okay, if you can see, this is boiling nicely. It's got like a caramel color to it. Oh, can you see that? See how it's forming like a little soft ball? So it is ready. I'm going to turn off the stove so that turns that eye off. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the mixture. Mix it up well. I'm going to add 1 cup of peanut butter, and the heat is off, but I'm going to mix it up so it's not clumping up. You want a nice smooth mixture. The peanut butter is mixed well, so I'm going to remove the pan off the eye because it's still really hot. And I'm going to add my oatmeal to the mixture. I'm going to put 1 cup of oatmeal in. And you want to mix that up really well so you have all the oatmeal coated. Okay, it's all the oatmeal is coated well. So I've already got my buttered dish on the table over here. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the buttered dish. Alright, so now I'm just smoothing it out so it covers the dish. I probably could have put this in a smaller dish because I didn't double the batch, but it'll be okay. Okay, now we just have to wait and let it set and harden just a little bit. Okay, it's been setting for just a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take a knife, and you can tell it's already starting to set up. And I'm going to just cut it into squares. And then it'll be ready to eat.